The guy you're looking at is one of the last salt makers in the world. Yeah, his job is to make salt using his hands and feet. Before his job disappears forever, you should listen to his story. Who is he? How much does he make? And how does salt made by feet taste like? In a remote mountain village in Mexico, I found Juan.
Hola, Nas Daily. Soy Juan, uno de los últimos productores de sal aquí en México.
You see, thousands of years ago, people did not get salt in the supermarket. They had to get salt from here, in these remote salt fields. And back then, salt was so rare and so precious that it was hard to find. In fact, it was as valuable as gold.
A la sal le llamamos oro blanco y la palabra salario proviene de la palabra sal.
That's why for 2,000 years, Juan's ancestors have been here mining for white gold, and they made money from it.
¡Viva México!
Aquí el trabajo es un tanto difícil, tanto pues físico, pero al mismo tiempo es un trabajo que lo amo.
This is a very complicated process, but now, with machines and factories, it became much easier, and therefore salt became cheaper, as cheap as 50 cents per kilogram.
Nuestra sal es pura y natural, rica en minerales, pero no podemos competir con las grandes industrias.
That's why the job of a salt maker is dying, and people are choosing other jobs that make more money. But Juan is not leaving anytime soon. He loves this. He's working without an assistant to keep his family's tradition alive and keep making his 100% natural salt. As we move away from processed food and move towards healthier and more organic food, let us support people like Juan. Because who knows, maybe one day he can make money from doing what he loves. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.